Zach Leatherman. Well, when I was last on the changelog, I said my programming hero was John Rezig, but only for the reason that he runs amazing communities that are very positive. He's a very positive spin on his community, so people are more willing to contribute and leave their feedback and, you know, code for his projects because they know he's going to treat them good. So. Actually, the first programming language I ever learned was JavaScript. And that ended up being it worked out well for me just because JavaScript increased in popularity and throughout my whole career. So I would say that was like back in 2000, like early 2000s. So I just kind of bet on JavaScript the whole time and it's worked out pretty good. So I don't know if I would go back and change that, but I don't know, be more of a polyglot maybe, learn a wider variety of languages. Oh, for sure, jQuery. It's got to be jQuery. Yeah, I mean, there's when Firebug first came out, that was a huge change in just the development process because there was really nothing like it before. It was hugely original, and it changed everything. But I would say in terms of, I don't think Firebug was originally open source when it was released. I'm not sure about that, but I would say jQuery probably the most, just because of the people that I met in the community. And that's kind of how I got a job at Filament Group. I went to a conference and met some people that worked in the jQuery community. So, yeah, jQuery. It's got to be jQuery, hands down. Ties into my John Rezig answer earlier. Yeah. I think the most exciting thing in software is the amount of stuff that people are sharing online. I think open source is just growing and growing and growing, and more people are contributing because they see the benefits that everyday developers or people that don't live in the valley get from open source. And so more and more people are trying to contribute, more and more people are getting stuff out of it. So yeah, definitely open source. Yep.
That's the ugliest.
I got a couple, wait.
This just looks like you pooping mostly. Oh, that's spectacular.
Okay.
I'm just gonna let this keep happening. Yeah, man.
Yep. 2 glasses of wine, man.
Yeah, that's perfect. That's the exact amount of wine that we needed to have. Write down your name for us.